After taking a little while to recover from disappointment of losing my favourite drone, which I'd tuned perfectly, it was time to get onto AliExpress. I had to think about the parts I've already got and the parts I need. So I got into AliExpress and thought, well, rather than take another one apart, I'll get another Speedy Bee processor. So that's the first, so that's something I ordered. And then another thing to order was a mini GPS. I found these are really good. It's also a strange site. Normally they're about $20 Australian, but if I buy two of them, but buy 3 items, I get them for a lot less. So I bought 2 mini GPS modules at just under $14 each, plus a 32 gig card, which I can always use. So that was okay, didn't mind that. And then because I lost the RP1, I decided to buy a couple more of those. Everything's gone up in price a bit, I've noticed. I also bought some motors which are similar to ones I've had before, at a very reasonable price. So I've got frames, I've got the exact settings for Betaflight for what I had before, so I thought, well, this is probably enough to recreate it. So I'm just going to talk about the other parts I need for the recreation of the drone I lost. And this is the box that the Speedy Bee bits come in. This is one damaged one, so it's put aside. But the bottom of the box is great for a battery holder. So if you look at what I've got here, I've got a 4S battery. It's in the bottom of the box, and I've put foam all around to protect it. Also, this goes over the top, so that goes onto the bottom of the copter, and here's the frame I'm going to use, an old run recycling. So in use, that clamps under there like that with Velcro and all the components on top, and that seems to work well. It really protects the battery, and on the bottom of the box I've got a little bit of rubber that helps it grip onto the camera pod if I'm hanging it below. But I've had damaged batteries before, so packing it out with lots of foam seems to work well. I've got another set of 4 of these type of motors coming. Props I'm using a gem fan, and I've got quite a few of those. So what are they? Ferrari Red 6042 tri-blades. And when it comes to cheap FPV cameras, because I refuse to buy the digital stuff at the price it's going for at the moment, I've still got some of these trusty orange cameras, and here's the little transmitter that's good for over a kilometre. Used to be able to sell them eSheen, used to be able to get them for about $10 or so. Of course they've gone up now if you can find them at all. As I say, I'll be keen to get a higher res stuff once the price is a bit more reasonable, because you can never be sure when you're going to lose something. 4S batteries that seem to be quite good. On the last part, so here's the other drone. It's the same as the one I lost, apart from the props I'm using, and it's got the smaller Bugs 3 motors. The black top, in case you're wondering, that is cut from a large flower pot, so they're very inexpensive. And the other thing I did, which I've done to the other one as well, I put the beeper on the back of it rather than on the front. So that's about it. So when you get it all, I'll put it all together and go from there. But I suppose the whole point is I've found I can have a lot of fun with this gear at very low cost. I mean, I've got nothing against people buying state-of-the-art stuff, or particularly pre-built, because when you start off you don't want to stuff around with the Betaflight and stuff like that. You just want to get out and fly, and that's fair enough. But if you don't like spending more than you have to, and learn a bit of stuff along the way, this is why I'm making the effort to make this kind of video. So if it's useful, great. If it's a bit of a laugh, that's fine too. So till next time when I'm back in the air.